Complete TradingView tutorial for beginners and pro. So for a quick start, if you don't know what TradingView is a trading and charting platform. So if you are trading whatever asset class you're trading, be it crypto, stock, currency, or any of them, you should have a broker, because it is the broker that links you to the market. So when your broker links you to the market, most of those brokers has what we call TradingView license. So if your broker has a TradingView license, it means TradingView can also be your trading platform. But if you don't have, for most brokers which don't have, what their clients do is they use TradingView to chart, like chart CHARTING, just to chart, to do their technicals, everything technicals, because it is the most complete technical tool out there for trading. After that, you now go to your trading platform and execute your trade. So today I'm going to introduce you to TradingView. It has two versions. We have the app version, be it your iPhone or your Android phone, you can get the app, and it has the web version, which if you look up here, you see the site www.tradingview.com/chart. Once you type it in, you get to this interface. So the next thing you do is, once you are in this interface, the next thing you are supposed to now do is to navigate it, which I'm going to guide you. But before we go ahead, know that TradingView has a paid and free version, and for everything you need to start trading first, the paid version you are good to, the free version you are good to go. Like currently, this is a free version that I'm using to illustrate. So you must not get the paid version before you start using TradingView. With the free version, you are good to go. So let's go. So once you enter TradingView, it has the top column, it has the left column, and it has, which is here, and it has the right column. So we'll start with the top. So in the top, here is your detail. The first icon you are seeing here is everything about your detail, your email address and everything, sign up and all those stuff. The next thing you will see is the ticker symbol, or whatever. If it is in the currency market, it's called the pair. If it is in the stock market, it's called the ticker, or the ticker symbol and the crypto. So this is where you search. So anyone you search and input, let's say you are a stock trader, you're a currency trader, you know US, you come here, you search it out, and it will now show. So currently what I have in my interface here is BTC USD, because it is what I search. So if you want to search other asset class, you do the same thing here. So after that, so you have seen here to put what you want to chart, you want to analyze it, you search it there, and it will show here, you start doing your analysis. So the next thing after that is the time frame. Yes, the time frame now depends on the kind of trader you are. If you are a day trader, swing trader, whatever. So currently this is on the daily time frame. If I want to change it, I can put it in weekly too. So have you seen it? Back to daily. So this is where you select your time frame. It has a time frame up to even a minute time frame. Yes. Then the next thing is the candlestick. Yes, currently we have different kind of candlestick here. You can choose anyone that suits you. Currently the one on my interface is Japanese candlestick. We have the line chart, we have the step chart, and so many of them, depending on the one that suits you. This is where you select it. Here is the indicator. For those that trade with indicator, you can come here, all your moving average and everything, you search it out. Even if you have your own customized indicator, you can also come and add it up there. Then the next thing you see there is your alert. For those that want to receive alerts, maybe when price gets to a particular level, you want to receive email alert or phone number alert. This is where you set it out. We are going to do a separate video for some of these things, but this is an overview so you understand. Then for the replay tool is specifically used when you are doing back testing. Yes, when you want to back test, this is where you use the replay tool. Don't worry, we're going to make a video on how to back test using TradingView, but it's just for you to understand. Then this is where you save your chart. If you want to save this chart, now maybe after doing your analysis, you want to save it. This is where you save. Then this is where you do your quick search. This is where you set your chart to for some settings which I'm going to walk you through. Then This is where you want to blow it up to a full screen so that all these things will come out, minimize and all those things. This is where you do that. Then this is where you want to take a screenshot. You want to take a screenshot of your chart. This is where you do it. Then if you want to publish, yes, TradingView has a community too. So if you want to share your ideas with the community, this is where you click it out, and it will take you to the community. Then you share, and other people will see your idea. Now let's go to the left. The left is where you see all the tools you need for trading. This is where you see all the tools you need for trading. The first tool here, if you come here, you see the cross tool, which is this current tool I'm using. Yes. Then you see the dot tool, the arrow, and the magic listing. But the most popular here is the cross tool. You use it and check where price is and the date and whatever. Like currently, this as at 11th of May 2024. The price of BTC was 57k. So you can use this to navigate to just check price and levels. The next tool, if you go, is where you get your, if you are doing, this is where the analysis kicks in. Now this is where you get your trend line tool. This is where you get your horizontal tool. This is where you get so many of them. See it here. For example, the trend line. If you want to draw the trend line, this is it. If you pick it out and start drawing, so this is where you get most of your drawing tools. Your horizontal, this is what it looks like. Start marking up your chart. Don't worry, we also show you how to mark all these things out. This is just for you to know where you pick out those tools. Then the next one here is for Fibonacci. Yes, everything Fibonacci. There is a video we have here on trading strategy of Fibonacci with their settings, so you can go and watch it. So this is where you pick out your Fibonacci, both the retracement one and the normal Fibonacci, 0.5, 0.7, and every Fibonacci. So if you're a Fib trader, this is it, guys. Then the next one is for our Elliott wave brothers. So if you're an Elliott wave guy, this is where you pick it out. This is where you pick it out. Head and shoulder pattern, the impulse wave, the correction wave. So this one is dedicated to the Elliott wave brothers. Okay. So now this is where you pick out your risk management. For example, when you hear people say 2 to 1, 1 to 2. Let's say, so let's show you an example. You want to go long on BTC. This is it. This is where you pick it out. Then this is, if you enter here, this is 1 to 1. If you extend your distance, you see people do this. This is it here now. If this is 1 to 2 to 1, all those stuff. So this is where you measure your risk. This one is risk management to stop loss here, and this is where you get sell. Is the opposite. You want to short, your stop loss will be that up there, and this is where you are now measuring whatever you are targeting. You see it risk to reward too. So this is the most popular tool inside here. Then this is your forecast tool and everything. So I'm going to show you the most popular. Then I know you have the varieties of the ones you use to, so you can go and test it out. The next tool is a kind of the rectangular tool where you wanna mark out a particular zone. And you can change the color too. Once you do this, you can change the color of this zone. Maybe you wanna highlight a particular zone. You can do that. Change the color to whatever that suits you. To be creative. So all these ones, the arrow, and those guys you see use arrow, use everything, just to kind of do small graphics on their chart. This is where you get it. You change the color to whatever that suits you. So this is it. Now the next tool is for the writing tool. Yes, you want to write. Maybe if price gets to this place, whatever. This is everything about your writing. Then this one is if you want to toggle in your emoji. If you want to toggle your emoji, this is where you get it. Maybe on the chart you have laughing, whatever. This is where you get all those things. Then this one is your measurement tool. You want to measure how many pips count. This one is where you use the ruler to measure. So guys, if you're enjoying this content, feel free to smash the subscribe button. Feel free to turn on the notification. If you have any question, if you have any other video you want us to do for you on YouTube here, feel free to comment. And also, don't forget that every week we post our weekly analysis, so you can watch it to know what is happening in the market. Also, there is a playlist for that. Then other trading videos you go and watch. Strategy video is all here. So explore our YouTube channel so that you get everything there. So let's go, let's continue. So after the measurement tool, the next tool is the zooming in and zooming out tool, which you can pick out there. Then this one is the magnet tool, and the other one is both the clearing tool. Maybe you want to clear out all these things that is here, you just click delete. it will clear out all these things at once. Just see it. Have you seen? Everything is out. Everything is out. Depending on what you want to remove, everything will be out. Have you seen it? So we are through with the left. Now let's go to the right. There is nothing much on the right hand side of this screen. The first thing is maybe you want to see your watch list. Maybe you are a currency trader. You want to add some pairs to your watch list. This is where you come and click here. Hold on a sec. So if you click there, your watch list will appear. Hold on a sec. Okay, this is your watch list here. This is your currently on this watch list. I have the NB, because in Nigeria currently this NB is Nigerian Brewery. Trying to do some technicals on it after our firm has done the fundamentals to see what's going on with the Nigerian Brewery. So you can add all these things to your watch list. Then this is some of our watch list. The first you trade, we trade the 8 major in the firm here. So this is the watch list. You can add so that it will be easy for you. If you want to add to your watch, you click here. You click the plus, whatever you want to search, it will show up. You pick it and add it to your watch list. And yeah, after the watch list, the next thing you have here is the alerts, which is a kind of offshoot of the alert you had here. Then you have the window, whatever. But the most important tool here is the watch list. So this is where some people say if you want to hide it, you click here. So I think with this so far we have summarized how to use TradingView. So if you have any other question, feel free to comment it down below, and our team will attend to you. So see you in the next video. Peace.